This may be my last day here in this office, but I will always be.
I, Mark Carney, do solemnly and sincerely promise and swear.
Breaking news! Canada has a new Prime Minister. Justin Trudeau is out and Mark Carney is in. But what does this mean for Canada's economy, immigration, and global relations? And will Carney fix relations with India after years of tension? And what's his strategy against Trump's new tariff on Canadian goods? And how will his new cabinet shape Canada's future? Stay tuned, we are breaking it all down in just a minute, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe for real-time updates on Canada's latest news. Canada's new Prime Minister. Who's Mark Carney? So on March 14, 2025 in Ottawa, Mark Carney officially took the oath as Canada's 24th Prime Minister, replacing Justin Trudeau. And Carney's key priorities are fixing the economy and tackling inflation, solving the housing crisis, reducing immigration while supporting skilled workers, and strengthening trade ties and rebuilding relations with India. But first, let's understand who's Mark Carney. He is a former Bank of Canada and Bank of England governor, an expert in finance but a political newcomer. Liberal Party's fresh face after Trudeau's leadership decline. Will Carney's financial expertise help Canada, or is he just another elite banker? Comment your thoughts below. Canada's new cabinet. Who's in and who's out? Big cabinet changes. Carney's government is focused on economic stability and global diplomacy. So key ministerial changes are Mark Miller, the immigration minister, is out. Yes, you heard it right. The Mark Miller is out, and Rachel Bandian, new immigration minister. This means a fresh approach to Canada's immigration, trade, and international relationships. Do you think these changes will help Canada? Drop your opinion in the comments. Immigration policy. Big changes coming. Canada is reducing immigration targets. In 2025, it is 395,000 PR spots. In 2026, it will be reduced. It will be 380,000 PR spots. And in 2027, it will be reduced. It will be 365,000 PR spots. That's a 20% cut in immigration due to housing shortages. International students and foreign workers may face tougher visa rules. PR applicants could see longer wait times. And if you are planning to move to Canada, you need to stay updated. So subscribe now for the latest immigration changes. Canada-India relations. What's next under Carney? Let's rewind to Trudeau's term. Canada-India relations collapsed over diplomatic tensions. India stopped issuing visas for Canadians, and trade talks were frozen and trust was broken. Now Carney wants to reset ties with Modi. The first thing, the diplomatic talks. Carney has already reached out to Modi government for a high-level meeting. The second thing, trade and business. Canada wants to restart discussion on technology, AI and energy deals. Third thing, immigration and students. Canada may ease visa processing for skilled Indian workers and students. But will Modi trust Carney? India demands stronger security policies from Canada. What do you think? Will Canada-India relations improve? Comment below. Now the most important thing which everyone is talking, that is Canada versus US Trump trade war, new tariffs on Canada. So breaking news is that Donald Trump has imposed new tariffs on Canadian goods. So what's being hit? Steel, aluminium and crude oil now 15 to 25% more expensive. This will impact on Canadian businesses and major job losses expected. The Carney's challenge is that negotiating trade deals with a tough US president. Will Carney fight back or give in to Trump trade war? This could affect thousands of Canadian jobs and businesses. If you are worried about your job, drop a comment. Now, what's next for Canada? So Mark Carney's toughest challenges are fixing inflation and economic recovery. The second thing, restoring Canada-India relations. The third thing, fighting Trump tariffs. And fourth thing will be the balancing immigration and housing policies. What do you think? Will Carney succeed or struggle? Let's discuss in the comment. Want to stay ahead of Canada's latest news? Like this video if you found this helpful and subscribe now and turn on the bell for real-time updates. Share this with your friends who want to know what's happening in Canada. Thanks for watching. It's Aarti Khajuria. See you in the next video with more update. Until then, stay informed and take care.